उत्तर गोवा वकील संघटनेनं मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत यांना खरमरीत पत्र पाठवलं आहे. राज्यात कोविडची परिस्थिती हाताबाहेर जात असून संपूर्ण लॉकडाऊनची गरज आहे. आर्थिक व्यवहार गरजेचे आहेत, पण ते लोकांच्या जीवापेक्षा महत्त्वाचे नाहीत. राज्याचं प्रशासन ही आपत्कालीन परिस्थिती हाताळण्यात पूर्णपणे अपयशी ठरलं अशी टीका संघटनेतर्फे ॲडव्होकेट श्रीधर कामत यांनी केली.
गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
We have today issued a letter to the Chief Minister, Government of Goa, showing our displeasure regards the total failure on the part of state administration to control the COVID menace. Many of my colleague advocates have lost their life battling with COVID. Yet our borders are open and the state administration is not inclined for a total lockdown in the state of Goa. Yes, we as advocates do understand that economic activities are necessary, but not at the cost of the lives of people. Every day we are witnessing the deaths of our fellow colleagues and lot of people. We as advocates have social responsibilities also. And therefore, to awake the government, to awake the state administration from its deep sleep, we have today requested the state government for a total complete lockdown in the state of Goa, which I believe is the need of the hour to break the chain. Unlike other states who have sealed their borders and they have made RT-PCR test compulsory, our Goa administration have till today not acted upon to save the lives of the people, at least by sealing the borders and making at least the RT-PCR test necessary to enter the state of Goa. We had a long deliberations on this and we were today forced to issue a letter to our Honorable Chief Minister, State of Goa, requesting him for a complete lockdown in the interest of the state of Goa and the lives of people of Goa. We today condemn strongly the inefficiency on the part of government to stop the COVID menace in the state of Goa. We are not prepared. We were not prepared, though we had a lot of time. Sirs, we still have some time now, at least now, so that the lives of the people are saved and the chain is broken. And therefore, we again today request you for a complete lockdown in the state of Goa, hoping that this letter will make your good selves aware of the request and the possibility threat faced by our advocate colleagues and our Goikas. And we hope that your good selves will consider our request and issue a total lockdown in the state of Goa. Thank you, sir. Thank you.